Hi, my name is Lawrence.
Hi, I'm Thomas.
Hi, I'm Valerie.
Hi, my name is Vanessa.
I'm Dominic.
I'm Marco.
I'm Matthias.
My name is Duk.
My name is Katja.
I decided to participate because it looked like a great opportunity to get to know Latvia and have a great time and learn something.
Because I really like the program and I think it has like really high relevance.
First of all, to meet new people, to gain new experience, especially practical experience. And of course, this project was the new opportunity for networking and of course to better know Latvia.
My first impressions were that the people were very open-minded, very lively, very warm-hearted, and they opened their doors for us like with open arms, and it hasn't changed since. My first impression about Turība University was that it is a very modern university.
My first impression of Turība University is that it's a very lively, small university with energetic teachers that love cats.
Certainly, my first impression is that this place, like Turība University, is the best place to undertake an experience and an university in Latvia.
During this project, I enjoyed most that we made study visits and got to know various experts of Latvian companies that enlightened us with their business knowledge.
Basically everything. The mix of practical experience mixed with study visits and lectures was just perfect.
The things I loved the most during this project were the practical insights, the talks with various professionals that already own companies, that created their own companies, and that had a lot to say about the rapidly changing environment and what to do and how to act.
I'm going to take back home the spirit and also the motivation to start an own business, an own company, and yeah, that's why I'm here.
I'm going to take back home a lot of methods that I can really apply to my work, and also that it's acceptable to put dill into every dish that you serve.
It's the knowledge that the digital world is rapidly changing and new trends are always developing and nobody can stand still.
I'll take back home a great new network of people.
My experience here at Turība University was a great experience with lovely people, lovely teachers and a lot of personal engagement by everybody.
My experience of Turība was just amazing.
I think it was a great experience to study at Turība University, and I can only recommend it to anyone back home.
Thank you, Turība!